Pedestrians often, but not always, have the right-of-way in Texas. It depends on the specific circumstances. However, in general, the Texas Transportation Code places a duty on drivers to always exercise due care to avoid collisions with pedestrians. They must honk their horns to warn pedestrians if necessary. They must also use proper precaution when they observe a child or obviously confused or incapacitated person on the roadway. Unfortunately, drivers in Houston and throughout Texas frequently fail to recognize or simply ignore when pedestrians have the right-of-way. Their careless and reckless actions can carry devastating consequences. Pedestrian accident victims often suffer life-changing injuries, even death. Under the Texas Transportation Code, drivers must yield to pedestrians when a pedestrian control signal displays "walk" and a pedestrian crosses the roadway in a crosswalk, going in the direction of the signal. A pedestrian uses a marked or unmarked crosswalk and goes in the direction of a green traffic light signal. A pedestrian crosses the street within a crosswalk and is in the same half of the roadway as the vehicle. A pedestrian uses a crosswalk and approaches closely enough from the opposite side of the roadway to be in danger. A vehicle emerges from an alley, building, private road, or driveway and encounters a pedestrian who is walking on a sidewalk that crosses the alley, building, private road, or driveway. If you believe that a negligent driver harmed you or caused the loss of a loved one in a pedestrian accident in Houston or elsewhere in Texas, the attorneys of Fleming Law can help you. We'll conduct an immediate investigation to determine whether a driver violated the right-of-way, and we will aggressively pursue all compensation that you and your family are due. If you or a family member suffered a serious injury after being hit by a car while crossing the street or walking on a sidewalk or along the road, and you have questions about your legal rights, take action now. Call 469-414-9082 or visit FlemingAttorneys.com for a free case evaluation.